Welcome guys to another video. This is how to earn online while the world was sleeping.
Yes guys, welcome back to Star Queen Sisters YouTube video. This video we're going to be telling you 5 remote jobs you can do at night. Yes,
and for the first one is customer support night shift. You can earn from $12 to $18 per hour. We have various websites which we are going to tell you in this video. We have the Concentrix.com, we have the LiveOps.com, we have the Alorica.com, and they are all going to be placed on the screen and in the description below, so you can actually go back there and click on it and see what the website's all about and apply. All you have to do is to just answer customer support queries by chat or by phone at night. You can spend 1 to 2, 3 hours every night as your side hustle while the world is sleeping to earn online.
Okay, let's tell them the catch. You have to actually apply with your CV. These companies are hiring. They need genuine people and people who can actually work, and if you can do the job, $12 to $18 per hour, guys. That's a huge amount, which is very, very good and stable. And with consistency in a month, you can actually earn above $500.
Yes.
So that's it. Number 2 is online tutoring. You are an online tutor. Yes. Now, your students are not from Nigeria. Your students are not from Africa. If you're in Africa, this job is actually a night job for you. And if you are abroad, this job is an evening job for you, not too much in the night. Yes, you're an online tutor for platforms like Cambly. You're going to go to their websites, www.cambly.com. Also, Preply too is another company to hiring online tutors if you can teach online, right?
Yes.
And also, there's also another beautiful website, www.AmazingTalker.com. This company is also hiring online tutors. You are teaching. Who are they teaching? They are teaching kids, adults, how to speak English. People, Chinese who are actually schooling in American country and they don't know how to conversate. And if you can actually speak, you can actually teach. No requires needed, right?
Yes. Of course, there are different time zones. So if you're teaching in your time zone, another student will be available online. So yes, go check it out, guys, in the description below as well.
Yes. So let's talk about the amounts. As an online tutor, you can earn about $10 to $30 per hour. Yes, you can actually earn about $10 to $30 per hour. And if you actually have like about 3 or 4 students you want to deal with at night, that's about $60, about $50, $30 you can actually earn just at night time as an online tutor. So go apply. What you're doing is teaching English and other subjects to these students in different time zones. Remember, in different time zones. Very professional picture. Go apply and get accepted. Definitely get accepted.
Yes, guys. And for the next one, we have transcription. So all you're going to do is going to website like GoTranscript,
it's on the screen,
and GoTranscript and Revelation. So in quotes REV. So you are going to be earning from $0.5, that's 50 cents, to $1.110 per hour. So that's about $2 per hour. I know it's a little small, guys, but it's per audio minute. So take note, how many more minutes are you willing to go? How many more dollars are you willing to earn?
So when it comes to transcription, what you are doing, your job as a transcript person is to listen to these audios. They're going to give you audios to listen to, then type it out. That's just it. You are typing out audios, and like she said, the company's hiring for this position is going to be on your screen. This website, you see the link there.
Yes, www.rev.com, go www.gotranscript.com, and www.transcribeme.com.
So beautiful. So you just go apply to them, and you're definitely going to get a feedback. They're also going to give you a test. They're going to give you a test. Yes, they're going to give you a test. They're going to give you an audio to actually transcribe. And if you actually pass the test, you're good. Like you are immediately, they start sending you audios, and you actually can do it at night, where everywhere is silent and peaceful, and actually get paid for this audios.
Yes, guys. And the next one is virtual assistants.
Yes.
And from virtual assistants, you have different clients from different websites. and you can earn online as well from that.
Yes, so as virtual assistant, you're a remote worker, yes, and you can do this at night. You can actually have clients that you work with them at night. See, if you are in Africa and that particular client is abroad, their mornings is your night, so that's a nice job. So guys, what you do is manage their schedules, you reply to their emails, and you handle simple admin tasks. And if you want to become a virtual assistant and you don't know how to start, let's talk about money first. How much do virtual assistants earn on these jobs? How much does this company pay virtual assistants to just manage their schedule and everything at night? They pay you about $10 to $25 per hour. Yes, $10 to $25 per hour. Most virtual assistants earn about $25 per hour. Yes, you can actually be that person. So if you want to actually earn that money and you don't know where to start from, what you do is learn.
Yes, you learn, guys. There's so many ways to learn. You can actually join our link down below in the description box
of our group
to get started and get access to all these details and templates.
Yes, guys, so that's it. So Belay is a platform hiring virtual assistants at night time. Also Fiverr. These are freelance platforms, and other companies also hiring virtual assistants at night. What you do, just manage your schedule, little here and there, and you're actually fine. So guys, the last job is freelance writing. This is very easy and very, very good.
Yes, it's just like copywriting, and all you have to do is to write blog posts, product description, or social media content, and you can potentially earn from $20 to $100 per article.
So the platforms you're working with in for freelance writing is Upwork. Upwork is a big freelance platform where you actually can get clients you're writing for. You're either writing an article for them. If you're good in writing, if you can write stories, you can get paid to write stories. So that leads us to what we potentially are going to talk about in our next video.
Yes,
if
guys,
you are a story writer and
make
you are
sure you
good,
subscribe. If you've gotten to this part of the video, comment remote down below and subscribe and like this video, of course.
If you're good in writing stories, there are so many companies willing to hire story writers. And if you love what you're hearing and you actually want to get employed as a story writer, just make sure you subscribe, because we're going to drop more videos on how to actually do that and how much you can actually earn from that, and the receipts and everything. So easy, so straight, and so direct. So as for freelance writing, how much are we earning?
Yes.
This is the highest.
Yes, the highest. $20 to $100 per article. So take note, guys, that these are just remote night shift roles that you can earn as a side hustle that you can use.
So much more opportunities coming along.
Yes, so much more opportunities. And take note again that as us as the Star Queen Sisters, we've done lots of remote jobs. We've had into the
industry, using our experiences to share in these videos.
There'll be lots of story time very soon.
Yeah,
and so many more content on the way.
Before we go on this video, we're going to talk about I'm going to talk about my experience as a freelance writer, where I actually wrote articles for this client. He is working for a law firm abroad. You can see, guys, you can see the timeline. He's working for a law firm abroad, and I'm working in Nigeria for him. And guess what time I do the articles? At night. And I send it to him at night. So basically, and he paid me about over $15 per article. Like we said, $20 to $100. So guys, you can actually earn bigger than that. But the fact that this guy is actually a Nigerian, he didn't pay me the word of the article. Definitely, he slashed it to 2, and guess what? Like, you know what I mean. So instead of paying me $30, he actually paid me $15. You can imagine that. So, but if you actually work with these companies that we gave you, like now for the freelance writing, just search on your Chrome or your browser www.upwork.com. Upwork is a freelance company website where you can actually get clients that will pay you worth what you want to write for them. Another website is
www.freelancer.com, guys.
And also the last one is www.fiverr.com. These 3 are like the killers. They're so good and so professional. So guys, go work.
Yes, without further ado, we are rooting for you. We'll see you in the next video.
Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, do everything you want to do. Make sure you like, subscribe, because we're actually giving you guys the tips and the strategy.
Take note, once this video gets to 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 likes, we have a surprise for you. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.